I recently had the privilege of serving as a judge at the ASEAN Barista Team Championship 2026. The event was held at the World Trade Center in Manila, Philippines. Organized by the Philippine Coffee Board, the championship brought together some of the most talented coffee professionals from across the country. On day one, 7 teams from Luzon and the National Capital Region competed in the elimination rounds. Each team was challenged to prepare 15 beverages from a menu within just 10 minutes, a true test of speed, accuracy, teamwork, and consistency. The winning teams then advanced to the finals on day 2, where they faced champions from the Visayas and Mindanao regions. The final challenge was even more demanding: 20 beverages completed within 15 minutes, under intense pressure and scrutiny. What impressed me most was not simply the technical skill of the competitors, but the professionalism, discipline, communication, and teamwork displayed by every team. Each competitor earned their place at this championship and demonstrated the passion and dedication that continue to elevate the Philippine coffee industry. Equally impressive was the panel of judges. It was an honor to work alongside professionals with diverse expertise, united by a commitment to fairness, excellence, and the continued development of coffee education and competition standards. A very special thank you goes to Ms. Vanessa Caceres, affectionately known by many as Mamita of the Philippine coffee industry, for her tireless efforts and unwavering support of the coffee community. To all the teams who competed, whether you advanced or not, congratulations on your hard work, dedication, and professionalism. And to the winning teams, congratulations on a well-deserved achievement.